Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable guided access on your iPhone while playing PUBG. Now currently, I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable guided access on your iPhone while playing PUBG, just open the Settings app. Now from here, just search Guided Access. Now from here, tap on Guided Access and enable Guided Access. Now from here, tap on Passcode Settings. Now from here, you can set your Face ID as your passcode, or you can set a passcode by tapping on Passcode Settings. Now as you can see, I have already set a passcode for the guided settings. Now from here, just enter your passcode. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just swipe down from the upper right corner on the display to open the control center. Now from here, just tap and hold on the empty space on your control center and tap on Add a Control. Now from here, just search Guided Access. Now from here, tap on Guided Access and tap on the empty space. Now from here, swipe up and open PUBG. Now once you do that, just swipe down and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on Guided Access. Now from here, tap on Start. Now from here, as you can see, when you enable Guided Access, the control center and the gestures on your iPhone will be disabled while you are using Guided Access. Now to disable Guided Access on your iPhone, just press the power button 3 times. Now from here, just enter your passcode. Now from here, just tap on End. Now, as you can see, this is how you can enable Guided Access on your iPhone while playing PUBG. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.